Good day everyone, so my name is Denver Tawi, or but you can call me Sir Denver Tawi. And before we start, may I call on Mayor for to lead the prayer, okay? Amen. Thank you, Mayor, and have a seat, also, everyone. And before we start, may I know who is our secretary in this classroom to check the attendance? Okay, thank you. Perfect, lahat naman is present. And for, today, before we start our topic for today, I have the classroom rules. So first is be respectful. So ano po bang mga ayaw at mga gusto ni teacher? So unang-una po ay be respectful. Unang-una po hindi naman po sa akin, kundi sa mga classmate ko din. So if si classmate ko po is nakikipagdaldalan sa inyo, you can be mindful na lang po dahil kung ako po ay nagtuturo, I'll always listen to my topic, okay? And our discussion. And be safe po sa mga words na sinasabi natin while sa teacher na nagtuturo dahil po ayoko po na habang nagtuturo po ako, may naririnig po ako nagdadaldalan dyan or may sinasabing kung hindi naman po related sa topic natin, okay? And then third is follow directions. So while the teacher habang siya po ay nagtuturo, dapat po napafollow niyo po yung mga topic natin from the beginning and last. Okay? And from fourth natin is be a team player. So if you have any suggestions or meron po kayong mga may mga alam po kayo na pwedeng sabihin na i-share po sa amin, pwede niyo pong i-share sa classmate or sa akin, okay? And then be responsible sa lahat ng bagay po. And while na may mga, kung kayo po ang cleaners today, be responsible po dahil kawawa naman po yung iba, naginis po yung iba, and then kayo, hindi po kayo naglilinis. And hindi lamang po sa paglilinis, dapat po sa mga ibang responsibilities dapat, okay? And then, okay, after our classroom rules, I have the activity or the icebreaker. So what are icebreaker today? Okay, can I read this one? Okay, thank you so much. So I'll be giving 5 minutes to answer to check our activity, okay? Okay, and after activity, we need to start our topic for today. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I forgot the recap. So the recap, sino po ba yung mga nakakalang pong recap last meeting natin sa recap natin? Okay, thank you so much. Alright, our topic for today is all about the drafting front and back bodies patterns. So today I'll be giving the learning objectives. What are the 3 objectives in this topic? So first is at the end of the lesson, student should be able to identify the necessary measurements for drafting a back and front body pattern. Okay. Second is create a basic front and back bodies pattern using proper techniques. And third is understand the importance of proper fit and grain line in garment construction. Okay. So what are the history of back front bodies pattern? So the back and front bodies pattern has its roots in historical European clothing, evolving from fitted garments like the 16th century doublet and corset. The modern pattern making techniques emerged in the 19th century with the rise of commercial pattern companies like McCutcheon and Butterick standardizing bodies patterns for garment construction. And what are the measurements needed? So ano nga po ba yung mga kailangan nating kuhanan once po tayo ay mag-measure ng ating front bodies pattern? Okay, first daw po is yung bust circumference. So ito po yung bust natin, di ba? Okay, so check nga po natin kung saan po yung mga bust natin dyan. Okay, hawakan po natin kung saan po yung bust. Okay, second naman is yung waist circumference. So you can check also the the waist circumference, ayun, sa rin po sa check natin yan. And yung back length, ayan, back length po natin. And then yung front length, okay, yung front length po natin. And then yung across back po natin dito. And then yung across check, okay. So, ayun po yung mga measurements needed po natin. So, ano naman po yung sa mga kailangan po nating things na para po makuhanan po natin sila. So, first is need po natin ng tape measure. So, untightly, tape measure ko, pero gagawin po natin ng paraan. So, second is yung ruler. So, sa ruler po natin, two types of ruler. So, ruler po for line, and then yung ruler po ng French curve. Yun po yung gagamitin po natin sa pag-curve po natin sa ating bodice pattern, okay? Next is yung basic bodice pattern natin sa components. So, pag sinabi natin CF, ano nga po ba yung ibig sabihin ng CF? Yun po yung center front or yung center back. Ano po ba yung ano natin, CB natin, sorry. Yun po yung center back line. So, yung pinagkaiba po nun, pag sinabi natin CF, ang CF po ay center front at yung CB naman ay center back. Okay? So, second sa ating pattern components sa ating basic bodies is yung neckline and then yung shoulder slope. Okay? And then yung third is yung armhole curve, and then bust and waist shaping, and side seams and gray line. Okay? So, alam niyo po ba yung lima nun? Lima natin basic bodies pattern components. First is yung CF and then yung CB, na which is yung center front and center back lines. Second, neckline and shoulder slope. And third is armhole curve. Fourth is bust and waist shaping. And last is slide seams and gray line. Okay? And perfect. So, today naman, mag-start na tayo sa ating drafting the front bodies. So, ayun, draw CF line, mark neck A. So, may discuss natin siya. So, ito yung mga ating step by step. And calculate the bust point and armhole. And shape neckline armhole. And add bust dart and side seam. Okay? Next naman po yung ating drafting the back bodies. So, kanina naman ang topic natin is discuss natin about dun sa drafting the front bodies. Last time, ito namang ating topic is yung drafting the back bodies. So, draw CB line, mark neck G, and waist H, and calculate the shoulder and armhole. And shape neckline in armhole. The third is shape and neckline in armhole. And last is add back dart and side seam. Okay? Do you have any question? None so far. Okay, thank you so much. So, for our step-by-step to pattern or drafting the pattern of front bodies. So, first is you need to have a Manila paper. So, ito po yung example natin, things natin na para ma-drafting po natin yung sa front bodies. So, first is you need to mag-line ng perpendicular line. Ito po yan. Sa ating perpendicular line. So, ayan po. Dyan po natin ilaline niya lahat para po masukat po natin yung front bodies pattern po natin. Okay? So, ayan. Start po natin sa letter A. Okay. So, start to the point letter A. Ito po yung starting natin to connect to B. Okay. So, to connect to B, you need 3 inches. Okay. So, sorry, I forgot the tape measure. Pero, pwede niyo po siyang gamitin using your finger. Okay? 3 inches. Okay. So, ito, meron tayong 3 inches here. From A point, from starting the point A. So, you need to okay, starting A, the point, you need to connect the point B. Okay? So, before you connect letter B, you need to measure 3 inches. Okay? Using the tape measure. Okay. So, for example, here, 1, 2, and 3. So, this is your point B. Okay? And then, to connect B to letter C, you need to measure 1.5 inches. Okay, using again the tape measure. Okay, for example here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is your point C. Okay, did you follow? So, from A to B to C, from 3 inches to 5, 1.5 inches. Okay? And to connect C to D, you need to measure 1/2 armhole. Okay? This one. Point D. Okay. To connect to letter E, so this is your letter A starting the point until the letter E. Okay? To connect E, so later on na po natin sa letter E. So, connect po natin C, B to F. So, sa B to F, shape neckline using the French curve. So, yung French curve natin, isa rin po sa mga things or sa mga kailangan po para po ma-shape yung ating neckline. So, here. So, si B po, netong point na to, ko-connect po natin siya using connect to F using the French curve. So, for example, here, ito po siya. Ayan. Gumamit na po tayo ng French curve here. Dito po sa B to F. Okay. To connect F to G, you need, using ruler for diagonal line. So, F to G. Okay. And to measure this one to F to G, you need to straight shoulder the line and 13 divided by 2. Okay, so you can check to your phone. 13 divided by 2, ilan po yun? 6 and 1 half inches. Okay, here. Ayan. Did you follow? Okay, and then G, connect to, saan na pa tayo? Letter H. Okay. Here. So G, to connect H, you need to measure the chest divided by 2. 11 divided by 2 equals 5 and 3/4. Okay? And to measure the G, to get 7 and 3/4 plus 1. Okay? So, paano po ba siya So, using the tape measure pa rin. So, mag-a-add lang po kayo ng 1 inches. Okay po? And then, so here, for example, here, ito yung ating letter H natin. So, ito yung 7 and 3/4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, mag-add lang po kayo ng plus 1 inches. Ibig sabihin po ng plus 1 is 1 inches po natin. Okay. To connect L, so after natin dito sa may I, na-connect po natin sa may I, CCII, and then, using L, using the tape measure, from point L, ayan, 30. To connect L to M, okay? To connect L to M, you need to get the bus distance, okay? Left 7 and 1/2 divided by 2 is equals to 3 and 1/2. 3 inches and 3/4. Okay? And then, to connect N, you need to waist measurement. So, sa distance po natin, you need to measure the 3/4. So, dapat po, sa gitna po ni M, so ang gitna ni M is, sa paligid po ni M is letter N and then O. So, dapat po, same lang dapat po sa ng 3/4. Okay po? Ito po yan. Ayan. So, ayun po. And then, after that, I forgot to connect the J. So, ayun. Pwede naman po natin siyang laktawan. Pwede natin siyang laktawan. Basta, connect nyo lang po siya. So, to connect the shape armhole or shape shoulder armhole, you need to tape measure again 7 and 3/4 plus 1 inches. Okay, connect nyo po siya sa may J to sorry, tong J natin need to po siyang i-tape measure ng 7 and 3/4 plus 1 inches. And then, to connect K to E, para po makuha na po natin ang ating front bodies pattern, you need to fold this one. Okay? So, si K daw po. Asan po ba si K? Si K po ay nasa... Wait, hanapin natin si K. Kasi medyo... Ito si K. So, si K, tutupin na po natin pag ano. Ito. Ayan. Ayun po. Ayun po yung ating... Ayan, K to E. Ayan. Kasi, po-fold lang po natin siya. So, dito po kasi, medyo hindi maliit lang po kasi yung papel natin. Pero, ayun po. And last po natin, bago po natin makuha ang ating front bodice pattern, you need to connect the K to E. Okay? Ayan. Ayan. Do you have any questions for our topic for today for front bodice pattern? Okay. Thank you so much. And so for this one, before na yan, to general lang po sa ating front bodies, to get front bodies pattern natin, ayun, mag-start lang po tayo sa letter A to M po, as sa letter O, to get the pattern bodies natin sa front bodies. Okay? And kung nalito po kayo, dito na po kasi talagang i-measure step by step using the letter. Okay? Basta ang starting po natin sa letter A to connect all the letters. Okay? Yun lang po sila. So our second topic for our job back bodies is here. So ayun. So tapos na po tayo sa ating front bodies natin. So next naman is yung back bodies natin to pattern. Okay? So here is need to front bodies pattern to guide. Okay? So using this one, so you need to use the tracing paper. So sa likod po ni front bodies, for example here, ayan, pasok na sa loob yan. For example, ito po yung likod niya, ito po yung likod. Ayan. So ito po yung magiging tracing paper natin. So ayun pa rin, kung ano na po yung ginawa ko dun sa may front bodies natin, to pattern this one. So here to sa back natin, same lang naman din po siya. So from starting point A, ganun pa rin. Ayun, starting point A. Ayan. Diagonal po. Ayan. So ayun, connect pa rin natin siya. Para di po kayo mahirapan, ganun same lang din po sa letter A to letter O. Connect lang po natin siya para makuha po natin yung measurement to get the back bodies pattern. Okay? So, meron naman po akong pictures sa ating PPT, and that is your reference para i-check din kung may nakaligtaan po si teacher or may nakalimutan pong sabihin. You can check the PPT din, okay? Para po mas malinaw rin po sa inyo. Kasi medyo mahaba po talaga ang pagkuha po talaga ng measurement here sa pagkuha ng pattern sa front and back. Pero kung sasanayin po natin ating sarili, makakuha po natin siya agad-agad. Okay? So, ayun. In generalization, to get the front and back bodies pattern, ayun lamang po, hindi ko na magkakita na kanina, is to you need to kailangan po contact na po yung gamit natin, which is yung ating French curve, yung ruler, and then pencil ka din, and then yun nga yung Manila paper, and then yung tracing paper. Isa po sa mga kailangan yan upang ma-measure po natin yung mga gamit na yan. Okay? And then so for our activity, okay, so before we start, do you have any before our activity? Do you have any questions? Okay, wala naman none so far. So for our activity, so activity bodies pattern drafting, draft a basic front and back bodies pattern using this measurement. Okay, so ito po yung mga ating bust 34, waist 28, back length 16, front length 15 sections. Okay, and then jaw, CF, and CV lines yung first natin. Second is mark neck and waist points, shape armholes and necklines, and add darts and side seams and label K points. Okay? Ayan. So, I will give the for 5 minutes to answer this activity, and then i-group po kayo into two para po magtulungan po kayo to measure this activity. Okay? Ayan. Thank you so much. So, for our assessment, okay, so 1 hanggang 10 po siya. So, ito rin po yung related. Ito po yung na ano po natin kanina, na discuss pa natin kanina. And this question is di naman po ganun kahirap. Okay? So, do you have any questions, clarifications, suggestions? Okay, nice so far. So, perfect. So, I hope everyone na may naiintindihan po sa ating using using this pattern, and I hope na yung assignment natin is masagutan po natin, is po manupunan po kayo sa ating discussion. By the way, thank you so much. Okay, for our activity 2, bodies pattern drafting, draft a basic front and back bodies pattern using these measurements. So, bust 34, waist 28, back length 16, front length 15. So, what are the instructions? So, number 1, draw CF and CV lines. And number 2, mark neck and waist points. And number 3, shape armholes and necklines. And number 4, add darts and side seams. And number 5, label K points. Okay? Okay, for our assessment, direction, read carefully and choose the correct answers. Okay? So number 1, what is the first step in drafting a front bodies pattern? Okay, I'll be giving you 5 minutes to answer this 10 question. Okay? Okay, for our assignment, bodies pattern drafting, create a basic front and back bodies pattern using the measurements: bust 34, waist 28, back length 16, front length 15, and drop patterns on paper including darts and side seams, and label all key points, CF, CV, neck, armhole, etc. And deadline next week Friday. And thank you so much, learners. Thank you so much, learners. Bye-bye.